Hey guys, this is UBR Tech, and today's video is going to be a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Benchmade Mini Bugout. So let's get into it. Put this aside. Here's the bag that it comes in. It also gives you some more information, I guess, cleaning and lubing and all that stuff that Benchmade sends you. And let's open the bag. Access lock gives you some information. Here's the knife. You can see there's like a little imperfection there, but that won't bug me. So let's talk about the access lock, because I guess that's one of the big things about this knife. Right here you basically pinch with your two fingers and you pull down, and that's what disengages the knife. So if you pull, then you could fold the knife back up. When you want to redeploy, you have the thumb studs right here, and it deploys pretty well. I like that. I guess there's two firsts for me. One is owning a Benchmade knife, and two is the access lock. So I'll have to get used to the access lock. I've never had one before, and again, I've never owned a Benchmade, so I'm curious to see how this holds up, and also whether I'll continue to purchase more Benchmades. I guess talk about some of the specs of this knife. So the blade size is 2.82 inches and overall size is 6.49. The blade material is CPM S30V. The blade style is a drop point, and it's a flat grind. So the scales on this is something I've never had on any other knife that I own, and it's I think it's pronounced Grivery, and it's a high performance polymer. Seems pretty tough. So I guess again we'll see how that holds up, because I don't know if it's porous. Let's say your jeans, if you put this in your jeans, will the blue or black rub off and pretty much deposit itself into the material? I'll know that over time. So the price on this guy, I got it for $136. I like the color combo that I got, which is the black and white. They did have the orange. The orange sold for less. I think it was $119. What I could say as far as first impressions is it's a lot smaller than I expected. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, just slightly, but it's pretty small. It's, like I said, it's really small. I would say that the one thing I did notice right off the bat is that it's really easy to deploy. Like, sometimes as a person who basically carries a knife every day, when you're trying to deploy the blade, sometimes with some manufacturers, when you try to flick that blade out, you could just accidentally do it the wrong way and it doesn't deploy right. So far, I haven't had a problem deploying this blade, and it feels like it fires out really nice. So I like that. So the one thing to note, when you disengage the access lock, it doesn't really fold as smoothly as I thought it would. I mean, I've seen some videos on YouTube where as soon as they disengage that access lock, that thing flies right down. Now, I don't know if they tuned it to make it fall like that, I'm not sure, but this one does not do that. I guess maybe that'll come with time. Maybe it'll break in. I do like the deep carry clip here. That's pretty nice. So this way it's not really sticking out of your pocket too much. I like that a lot. I also like that you could switch the clip to the other side. Not that I do that, but it's nice to have options. The blade centering seems pretty on point. And it's very lightweight. I mean, this is super light. You put this in your pocket, you probably could forget that you even have it on you. It's that light. If you were to wear like workout shorts, like the basketball shorts, again, this would not weigh it down. It's super light. So this would be a good summertime knife. As far as the access lock, it's just meh for me. There's not really, I guess I don't love it and I don't hate it. maybe once this knife breaks in, I'll start to like it more. Also, it looks like it's got some jimping here, so if you were to need some jimping as you're, bearing down on something, it might help a little bit. It's not really that grippy, I have to say. As far as the ergos on this, I feel like it's not going to fill out your hand that well. It's going to be for small tasks. You're not going to be able to really get a grip on it and like bear down on it. My pinky kind of falls off the edge of this, so it's not perfect, but you wouldn't carry this again to be doing anything crazy. You're just going to use it for like small tasks. So as far as sharpness, it feels like it's pretty sharp from the factory. So yeah, I think we covered everything, and I would say my first impressions are that I don't regret buying it. It is nice. I like this as a light carry for like basketball shorts. I think the axis lock is going to take me a little bit to get used to. I do really enjoy how this thing fires out. It takes no effort to make that fire out. I really enjoy the black on white. We'll see how that holds up over time. The more I carry this and the more I use it, the more I'll find out if I'm a Benchmade fan, and also to see if I enjoy how small this thing is. The other thing that's going to be interesting to see is if I get used to using this axis lock, and if this thing breaks in. It seems like it's breaking in already, because you can see it's starting to fall a little bit easier. So I think it's just a matter of breaking in. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of breaking in. But again, we'll see. But man, that thing fires out really nice. All right, well, that's it. If you guys have any questions, please put in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you thought the video was helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one.